We'll guide you through how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for some applications to go and work, this feature needs to go and be enabled. So we're going to guide you through the steps you need to go and take. To go and get started, you can actually go and check your current virtualization status just to go and confirm the before and after. Come down to the bottom and you want to go and click on search, and you can go and type in task manager, this app here, and you want to open up. You may have gone and used it before for closing applications. If you go over to the left and press those three lines, open navigation, you can press performance. You can go and find CPU here. I need to make this a bit bigger, but you're going to go and see virtualization. So mine's already enabled, but we'll still guide you through how you can go about it. So to do this, it's probably much easier than you think. We do need to go and access the BIOS, which is essentially our motherboard. Press start at the bottom. You can go and find the power button here and click on it. Go and hold shift on your keyboard, and you want to go and press on restart like so. Now you can go and wait. This is going to go and put it into recovery mode. This should go and load. And what you need to do is you need to go and press troubleshoot. Then you can go and press advanced options. Here you want to go and find UEFI firmware settings. Press there and press restart. Now go and wait, and your BIOS is going to go and load. The startup menu will appear and you need to go and press F10. So I'll go and press that now, and here we are. So now we need to go and find the setting. On Intel, it's going to be called virtualization in here, but on AMD processors, it can go and be called SVM. So a bit different. So what we need to do is go across here. So in this case, the setting is in configuration. And as you can see, we've got virtualization technology. I think it can also be called Intel virtualization technology as well. You can go and use the arrow keys to go and navigate, by the way, press up and down and across, etc. And then to go and change it, select it, press enter. And then you can, of course, make sure you go and select enabled, press enter, and that's it. Then we can go and save this by coming across to exit. In some cases, you can sometimes press escape and press save. But in this case, we need to make sure we have save changes and exit selected, press enter again to press yes. And now it's going to go and save. It'll then boot, you can log in, and that should be it.